Hello, it's Jen and welcome back to our channel where today I'll be teaching you how you can add stocks to your watch list in Fidelity. So I switched to an Android phone from Apple not too long ago and noticed that the user interface looked a little different. So I'm going to show you how to add the stocks that you want to monitor to your watch list. Because even though we here at Winning Lifestyles are not financial service advisors, we do not discriminate between Android and Apple, even though Apple is clearly the better option. So what you want to do is open up your Fidelity app. You don't need to log in, just go to your watch list. If you're an Apple user, it'll be on the bottom, or you might have to go to your menu tab and click Customize to find it and add it. If you're a Samsung user, click the menu bar at the top left. Next, what you want to do is click the little plus button to add a ticker symbol. I like to watch Microsoft so I can see it go up and regret not buying it when it was at $209. Just serves as a little reminder to never be greedy. You can read about it in my blog, all the traps I fell into as a beginner trader. Link in the description. Once you've chosen your stock, you can click Add Values or OK. I'll explain what Add Values is later, but for now, I'm going to hit OK and bam, it's in my watch list. You can see the last price, change in price, and everything you'd see on your Fidelity account minus your gains and loss. When you click on a stock, it'll give you details of that stock and the option to trade. You do have to log in if you want to trade. Now, the cool thing about Samsung is when you click on a stock, a floating window of that stock will pop up and you can swipe left and right to see your other stocks on your watch list. Sadly, with Apple, you have to X out and click the other stocks that you want to see. Alright, so if you chose to add values, you can add a quantity and a purchase price of that stock. Maybe you want to add how many shares you bought at a certain price and see how much you've earned or lost without having to log in. Or maybe you're like me and you want to see how much you could have earned had you bought it and are now regretting your life choices. If you already added the stock and want to add values, hit the three dots and click Edit. On Apple, hit the sliding scale looking icon. So I'm going to add a quantity of 5 shares because I would have bought 5 shares of Microsoft. And I'm going to add a purchase price of $209 because I would have bought it at $209. And then I'm going to click Apply, and it should show up on your watch list. If you scroll all the way right, you can see your total gains and or losses. As you can see here, I missed out on $177. Sad. And there you have it, folks, how to add stocks to your watch list. If you like this video, please smash the like button, click subscribe, and remember to ring that bell so you don't miss a video from us. And if you've made it this far, comment down below what stocks made it into your watch list, or what stocks you missed out on because you were like me and were being too greedy. I still regret not buying Microsoft. Alrighty, see you next time.